Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen tool for every home chef, the BLAZIN THAW Defrosting Tray. If you're tired of waiting hours for your meat to thaw or using microwave methods that compromise taste and texture, then you're in the right place. This innovative defrosting tray might just be the game changer you've been looking for. At first glance, the BLAZIN THAW tray is striking with its sleek design and vibrant red color. Measuring 16 inches in length, this family-sized tray is crafted from premium-grade aluminum, which is key to its effective thawing process. The unique construction allows it to extract cold from your frozen foods, naturally speeding up the defrosting time without any mess or hassle. Using the BLAZIN THAW tray is incredibly simple. Just place your frozen meat flat on the tray, and let the aluminum do its magic. The natural thawing process not only saves you time but also preserves the nutrients and flavor of your food, something you definitely can't say about microwaving. In fact, many users report that their meats retain a juicy texture, making every meal a culinary delight. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the standout features of the BLAZIN THAW tray is its mess-free design. Unlike traditional methods that often require water or draining, this tray eliminates the need for soaking and provides a clean surface for your food. Plus, with its wide and deep draining channels, any liquid released during thawing is quickly contained, ensuring your kitchen stays spotless. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or planning a weekend barbecue, this tray makes meal prep a breeze. You can thaw everything from chicken breasts to steaks, and even seafood, all while keeping your food safe and nutritious. It's also worth noting that this tray is lightweight and easy to store, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. Cleaning is a cinch. The BLAZIN THAW tray is designed for easy maintenance. Just rinse it under warm water and wipe it down with a cloth. No harsh scrubbing or special cleaning agents are needed, making it a hassle-free option for busy cooks. In a world where convenience meets quality, the BLAZIN THAW defrosting tray stands out as the best defrosting meat tray available today. It not only meets the demands of busy households but also enhances your cooking experience by allowing you to serve delicious, well-prepared meals without the stress of long thawing times. So there you have it. If you're looking to simplify your meal prep and enjoy perfectly thawed meat every time, the BLAZIN THAW defrosting tray is a fantastic investment. With its effective design, easy cleaning, and safe thawing process, it's no wonder why so many home cooks swear by it. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. What do you think about the BLAZIN THAW tray? Until next time, happy cooking!